Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, this is a quick tip here of saving a little bit of money. Though I filmed this and forgot to, and somehow didn't record it. Anyhow, I got this Super Clean here, and I just had a project I was doing over the top of this 5-gallon bucket, and it was not full, but a pretty good amount of Super Clean and grime was in the bottom of this thing that I was able to take and dump into here, strain it out. I was about ready to use this too. I got just a little bit in here. Strain that out and get all the big grime and gook out of it. So I a lot of times will just throw this in a bucket of something that's really nasty, like old bearings or something that's just pretty nasty and greasy and grimy, and I'll do with this, I'll do kind of a pre-wash of whatever it is. If I'm trying to clean it up or reuse it or something like that, I'll take that right there, because it's, you know, it's dirty, but it's not any dirtier than the stuff I'm going to be throwing into it, basically, to get most of it off. That stuff will still work really well. And I do mostly dilute this with water when I use it, because it's pretty strong otherwise. So one of these bottles will last a long time. I just bought my second bottle of this, and I used to use a different jug for this, for dirty stuff. Now I'm using my old jug for dirty stuff and my new jug for clean stuff, obviously. But just take it, strain it out, and you can use that to wash a lot of parts and pieces and things like that, and then take the clean stuff and finish it off, make it all shiny and nice, and you'll save a lot, both in product but also in money, and you're not wasting things and dumping it down the drain or wherever you want to dump this. Of course, you know, get rid of it in the legal way your state says to get rid of it. I've never dumped it down the drain. I take it to my state. I tell them it is greasy stuff, and sometimes they take it and sometimes the guy hucks it into the garbage can. So I let them decide what's right and wrong. So regardless, you reuse, recycle, repair, all the R's. Do all the R's. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.